Hey everyone and welcome. Today, we're not just going to make something out of paper, we're going to fold a story. This is the traditional origami crane, or tsuru in Japanese. And today, I want to teach you how to fold one. It's a beautiful meditation and a way to carry a piece of that hope with you. All you need is a single square sheet of paper. You can use traditional origami paper called washi, or just cut a regular piece of printer paper into a square. Let's begin. First, we're going to make what's called the square base. It's the foundation for so many origami models. Place your paper color side down. Fold it in half diagonally, corner to corner, to make a triangle. Crease it well. Unfold. Now do the same for the other diagonal. Now flip the paper over, fold it in half like a book to make a rectangle. Crease and unfold. And one more time, the other way. Now for the magic part. Bring two of the corners in, using the creases you just made. It will start to collapse. Bring the other two corners in to meet at the top. You should have a smaller square. Flatten it out completely. This is your square base. Great, now we make the bird base, which will give us our head, tail, and wings. Make sure the open flaps are at the bottom. Take the top layer of the bottom corner and fold it up to the top point. Crease unfold. Now take that same bottom corner and lift it up. As you lift, the sides will fold inwards. Guide them with your fingers and squash it flat. This is called a squash fold. It should look like a kite. Flip it over and do the exact same thing on the other side. Fold the flap up, then lift and squash. Now take the two long, skinny side flaps and fold them into the center line. Do this on both the front and the back. Okay, this is the last tricky part. Fold the top point down, crease it really well, then unfold it. Now we're going to do something called an inside reverse fold. We're going to unfold those two skinny flaps we just folded and pull that top point all the way down, using the crease you just made. The whole thing will collapse inside itself. Flatten it out. Do the same thing on the other side. And look, you have a bird base. It's starting to look like something, right? Almost there. See these two bottom points? One will be the head, and one will be the tail. Let's make them thinner. Fold one of them up at an angle, then unfold. We're going to do another inside reverse fold, just like before, but this time along that new angled crease. Push the tip inside. Do the same for the other side to make the tail. For the head, do one more, smaller. Inside reverse fold on the very tip of the neck. This creates the beak. And finally, the wings. Just fold down the two large top flaps. You can make the crease sharp, or you can leave it a little gentle. It's up to you. You didn't just fold a piece of paper, you folded a piece of a story. You created a symbol of hope that has traveled around the world. Whether you make this for a friend, hang it in your window as a reminder, or even start your own journey towards 1,000 cranes, you are now part of its legacy. If you enjoyed this story and want to learn more things you can create with just your hands, please subscribe and hit that bell icon. Every like, share, and subscription helps this channel spread a little more creativity and hope.